students, are you fine? I am so excited to see you all through this mode of learning. I think you are also excited. Come, let's together to put the excitement back into education. In this class, I am going to teach you about tenses. Do you know what are tenses? Tenses help us to talk about the timings of our activity. As you know, there are three types of tenses: present, past and future tense. So today, I am going to focus on present tense. Present tense has four parts. Those are simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous.
Let's see the structure of simple present tense. For the subject pronouns I, we, you, they, we use the base form of the verbs such as read, write, come, go, play, watch, study. If the subject pronoun is singular like he, she, it, we add s to the base form of the verb. Reads, writes, comes, goes, plays, watches, studies. Now you see some verbs we have just added as ears and some verbs we use es, goes and watches. And here we removed y and added ies so that it depends on the spelling of the verbs. Here we can see that most of the verbs ends with s. The last letter of the verb ends with ss, o, sh, ch, x will change to es. The final letter of the verb is y, and if it is preceded by a vowel, then we just add s. For example, play, plays. The final letter of the verb is y, and if it is preceded by a consonant, we remove the final y and add ies to the base form of the verb. That's all about the spelling of the verb. Remember that when we use I, you, we or they in a sentence, we must use the base form of the verb. For example, I speak English. You play football. We study hard. They sleep early. Look at the verbs. Speak, play, study, and sleep are the base form of the verb. Can you identify the personal pronouns in these sentences? Do you know what are personal pronouns or subject pronouns? Subject pronouns are personal pronouns that are used as the subject of a verb. I, we, you, and they are the personal pronouns here. Look at the next point. When we use the singular nouns he, she, it, we use yes or ears to the base form of the verb. First example, he goes to school. He is the personal pronoun and here we use ears to the base form of the verb. Second example is she teaches English. Teach is the base form of the verb and she is the personal pronoun. Here also we use ears to the base form of the verb. Next examples, it rains a lot. Tom plays tennis. These two examples are similar. Here you can see that rains and plays ends with s because the subject is singular. So from these examples we understood that the structure of simple present tense is subject plus V1 plus complement. V1 means base form of the verb. Second point, if the subject is singular, we use yes or ears to the base form of the verb. Third point, if the subject is plural, we use only the base form of the verb to it. Hope you understood the structure of simple present tense. In the next class, we will discuss about its uses.
That's all for the day. See you later.